Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really fast makeup tutorial that you can do whenever you're in a rush to go to work or school. And we're going to be using as minimal products as possible and no foundation, no eyeshadow. So it's really simple. And I think I'm going to be using mostly drugstore products in this tutorial. So really affordable. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, we're going to start by priming our face and we're going to be using the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot primer. There we go. This is a mattifying pore minimizing primer. So for this makeup look, we're not using any foundation, just concealer to cover up our dark circles and any blemishes. I think I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but I also would recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for this look as well. But the Tarte Shape Tape has a lot more coverage, and I'm going to be using the shade Light. Out of this concealer, I'm having to scrape the sides to get any product out, but this is like my second or third tube of this concealer and it's so good. I love it. I'm just gonna start by applying the concealer underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles. You can see how it blends so easy. It takes like seconds to blend it out, so it makes it really good for when you're in a hurry. Now I'm just gonna do my chin, pretty much my whole chin. I have a lot of blemishes on my chin. Okay, now we're gonna do the nose and the forehead. Okay, I'm using the Real Techniques sculpting brush to blend this out. Then I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and put it on my eyes just to cover up those veins. Okay, moving on to powder, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focused Pressed Powder in Warm Light. And I'm just going to use this everywhere I apply the concealer. Now we're going to apply bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro Sculpt & Glow Contour and Highlighting Palette in the shade Desert Sky. I used this in my last video, and I'm just going to be using this angled brush to apply it. Now we're going to apply blush. I'm also going to be using a blush that I used in my last video, and it's the Ulta Velvet Blush in Princess. Now for brows, I'm only going to be using one product, and it's the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set Brow Mascara in the shade Blonde. So I'm not going to be filling in my brows. I'm just going to be using this gel. And I'm also going to be using this contour shade to put in my eyes, so that way we have some kind of definition in there. So I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and just buff this into the outer V in the crease. Not really being really precise with it, just kind of placing it in the lid. So I'm going to be curling my lashes with this e.l.f. eyelash curler and then putting on mascara. I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. And I'm just going to apply this to my top lashes. Okay, finally we're going to do our highlight. I'm just going to use that same contour and highlight palette and use this highlight in it. It's a pretty good highlight. It's not too bright or anything. Very subtle, but really pretty. And now we're going to finish off the look with lips, and I'm going to be using this Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Zuma. These are really interesting lip products. They're not like a liquid lipstick, and they're not like a satin lipstick. It's like a really light flush of color. And it's really nice. It's like very comfortable. Okay, so this is the completed look. I only used about 8 products, and most of them were drugstore, so really affordable look, and you can do this in about 10 or 15 minutes. So it's perfect when you're trying to rush out the door. If you have any other makeup products that you use every day, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.